So welcome back. Myself Techie. I'm a Google certified trainer and the innovator as well. Apart from it, I am a GG leader Agra. GG stands for Google Educators Group. So there are many Google Educators groups in India and abroad. So among of all those, GG Agra is also a GEG center or GEG or Google chapter for educators. And this time I have brought some small functions like you can say the basic functions: count a, count, and count blank. So these functions are very basic functions that you can apply in day-to-day Google Sheet operations to count the values in the specified range of cells or the range you select. So what does count do? What does count a do and count blank do? So we'll learn it here. And suppose for that we'll have to move to our Google Sheet. So here this is a Google Sheet. So on this sheet I'm going to select a particular range, any range. I'm going to select 5 cells, 5 and 5. So there are 15 cells, and I highlight those cells using borders. Okay, and going to apply these functions here. Like first I'll apply count a, then I'm going to apply count blank, and finally count. So these are 3 functions we are going to discuss, and what is the difference among these 3 functions? What does count a do, what does count blank do, and what does count function do? So I want to tell you that if you go for count a means the cell, any cells within the range, any cell within the range, if contains any value, it will be counted by the count a. And any cell which is blank in the specified range will be counted by count blank. And any cell in the specified range or in the selected range has some number will be counted by the function count. So let's see. So this is count a, and this is my range. So this is the adjacent cell of count a function. So this is a count a, and in the adjacent cell I'll apply the formula. So as I told you, first you apply equal sign, write equal sign, then apply count a, and count a, it asks for the value. So in place of value I'm going to specify the range. So this is a range I'm going to specify here. So count a is applied on this range, and I just press enter. So there is no value, no data in the specified range. There is no data, and that is why it shows 0. Now count blank, count blank. Okay, and what is the range? In which range we want to count the blank? So this is the range in which I want to count the blanks, and enter. So there are 15 blanks because all the cells are empty, and that is why it shows blank, 15 blanks. So count blank specifies that if the cell is empty, then it will count it. And over here the third one is count. So I'll apply count here, count, and the range is, this is the range. So in this range, if any number is encountered, it will count, otherwise it will remain 0. Okay, now I'll apply some characters or some numbers or spaces within the specified range. Suppose I give say A here, F here. So see here, count A counts the character, means the cell has the entire range, whichever I have specified. In this range we have encountered only one character, and that is why it has counted. So count A value is 1. And on this similar side, we have also applied count blank. Since earlier the blanks were 15 and one is occupied by some character, and that is why the remaining blanks left are 14. So here, see. Okay, and suppose I just give 2 spaces and press enter. So it is again occupied, and hence count A gives 2 and count blank gives 13. And suppose I give this data and press enter. So count A increases, count blank decreases. Similarly, if I give any, say, number, then count A increases and number of values in count A are 4, and count blank reduces, so it is 11, and count increases to 1 because there is only one number, and that is why count gives 1 here. Similarly, if I like write, say, and say 34 and say spaces and say 65, so see here there are 3 numbers and count value is 3, and there are how many values? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So there are 8 values in this specific range, or the range we have selected. So count A is giving 8, and remaining cells are blank. So how many cells are left? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this one also 7. So 7 cells are blank, and all are occupied. 8 are occupied by some values, and there are 3 numbers in this specified range. So this way, count A and count blank, all these 3 functions work. And in addition, so this is the difference. So you must have observed the difference between or among these 3 functions. Count A counts the value in the cell in a specified range, count blank counts the blanks in the specified range, and counts the numbers in the specified range. So hope you got the idea. So if you have understood the concept and like the video, kindly share and subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the video as and when the new video is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.